Fight. Annoy him.
No. But please, join us.
Did that well.
What happens now?
He's going to have to sell himself to the others before they open up.